Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Then scroll down. Firstly, make sure that you do not disable all your gestures. Then let's go to the customized controls. So firstly, you can disable the left or right earbud or all controls. Now, for the single press, by default, we have volume down on the left earbud and volume up on the right earbud. I want to change it to play and pause the song. So I click at this line, then I click pause play, and the same for the right earbud. Then let's move to the double press, and with the double press I wanna play previous, I wanna lower or increase the volume. So for the left earbud I wanna volume down my music, for the right earbud I wanna volume up my music. Then we have triple press. With triple press we have to play previous and next track. I wanna leave it here, but you can also, let's say, add game mode if you play games, but I want to add it for the press and hold. By default we have a noise cancellation, ambient sound control on the left earbud, and to call voice assistant on the right one. I wanna enable or disable game mode with my right earbud, so I click on this line and select game mode, and now we have game mode. Now, if you don't like what you made, you can click to reset at the right top, and you have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.